All arrangements are being made and invitations are sent to more than 400 universities. Guests and representatives of universities from India, GCC, UK, Canada, USA, Malaysia, Australia, etc. will be visiting the school and interacting with the students and parents. The school is also arranging career talks with the support of experts locally as well as those who are visiting from India. Value education is given more significance and various activities are conducted in order to foster the great value of our motherland and the host country. The Tahfizul Quran Society is helping our girls for learning and memorizing the Holy Quran after their regular school hour. Morning assemblies are very important to inculcating great values among the children. Special assemblies are organized in Saudi National Day, Independence Day, Republic Day, UN Day, International Labour Day, Teachers Day, Children Day, Vishwa Hindi Divas, Library Week, Environmental Day, International Yoga Day, Gandhi Jayanti, etc. In order to give awareness to the students about such important occasions and to develop desirable attitude and behavior. Teachers' empowerment. Teachers' empowerment is very much important in this school. So the orientation sessions and the in-service training program at IS Dammam is focused on the CBSE theme for training for the academic year 2019-20, innovative pedagogy including active learning and experiential living. One Saturday of the month is utilized for teachers training and professional development program. During this academic year, different workshops are already organized with internal as well as external experts. Mr. Sadia Khan, member of Management Committee, and Ms. Shanti Rekha, Counselor, IS Jubail, also handled sessions on empathy and behavioral problem. Principal, vice principals, HMs, and senior teachers in the different sections have conducted orientation session for the teachers. An orientation session for the parents of class 10th was organized by the school to update them about the recent changes in the assessment system brought about the CBSE. In order to ensure the enhancement of the quality of education and to promote self-improvement, CBSE has formed a group of 4 to 6 neighboring schools for collaborative growth. These are the hub of learnings. It is expected that the school in the hub of learning shall collaborate for various activities as follows: academic collaboration, resource sharing, professional development of teachers and staff, building a sense of community to overcome isolation. IS Dammam is the lead collaborator school. We have met with the principals of the member school and are already in the process of collaborating together in this new venture of learning by sharing. The objective of the school special child care section is to enable students to function dependently and as meaningfully as possible. The SCCS has special education needs, the program and remedial teaching for a wide range of disabilities like Down syndrome, autism, development delay, cognitive delay, cerebral palsy, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, that is called ADHD. The primary aim of this program is to focus on the development of academics, behavioral, emotional, and physical aspects of students. With basic self-help skills, the section provides physiotherapy, occupational therapy, and training, yoga, fine muscles training, along with academics and good values. Parents are the first teachers of their child. And that is why we encourage our parents to actively participate in the journey of their child's learning. When parents actively engage, the performance of their word goes up. Close communication is at the core of our partnership approach. The PTM mission is to promote open communication and understanding between parents and staff of our school. A number of student-centered events and activities are open to parents throughout the year, including educational exhibitors, school fair, Mother's Day, Graduation Day, and School Annual Day, to name a few. Well-established labs are functional both in boys and girls section for all subjects like physics, chemistry, bio, maths, computer science, home science, geography, biotechnology. Separate libraries are functional in all the sections. Altogether, we have more than 70,000 books on various subjects, including the reference books. Efforts are being made to add the more number of books. A good number of CDs and audio-visual materials are also available in various libraries. A school is organizing separate book fairs for inculcating the habits of reading and love for the books among the students. The school publications like Focus, Cascade give us a glimpse of the major activities of the school during the academic year. Focus is the annual magazine published by the school, while Cascade is the quarterly newsletter. In order to honor the young graduates who are completing their studies and passing out from the institution, a special graduation day was organized separately for the boys and girls section. Today, we are going to honor some of our staff for their long years of meritorious services. Ms. Dhanlakshmi Ramanujam, Vice Principal Girl, Mr. Nooran Prasad, admin staff are honored today for their dedicated service in this institution for the last 35 years. We also honor Ms. Muhammadi Begum for her 30 years of service in this school. Ms. Neeta Khanna, Ms. Jayashri Kumar, Mr. Krishnan, Mr. M.J. Sadiq, Mr. Jay Chandran are receiving award for 25 years of their dedicated services to the institution. Mr. Arshad Anjum, Mr. Prabhakar Chandola, Mr. Sharita Biju, Daniel, Ms. Jazzy John, Mr. Jancy John Joseph, Mr. John Joseph, Mr. Azim Farooqi are receiving double decade award for and 33 teachers are receiving Decadian awards. 2 best outgoing students and 4 best sportsmen are also receiving certificates of appreciation from the chief guest. I congratulate all of them on this great achievement. The great patronage received from His Excellency, the Ambassador and Patron of ISKSA, School Observer, and all other officials of the Embassy of India is to be remembered with special gratitude. We are highly delighted to express our gratitude for the support, guidance, and encouragement received from Dr. Nasir Abdulaziz Shalan, General Director of Education, Mr. Awad Al-Maliki, Director, Mr. Hussain Al-Maqbool, Assistant Director, and other supervisors from the National and Foreign Education Department. The School Managing Committee, under the leadership of Mr. Kaleem Ahmed, is providing marvelous support to the school for its smooth functioning in academics and administrative areas. We are pleased to extend our gratitude to all MC members. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the stakeholders of the school, like our management, teaching and non-teaching staff, students and parents, for their continuous support and cooperation for the growth and development of this institution in order to flourish as a great center of learning, radiating its light and fragrance of the entire world. May Almighty Allah bless this institution to grow profusely and flourish abundantly, molding young, innocent mind into a global smart citizen of the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Your address once again proves that II Zamam is one of the finest institutions.